Looking at this expression, we have been given two expressions. Log of xy is equal to 2 as expression 1. Then xy is equal to 125. They're asking us to find the value of x and y. In other words, we have unknown, which is x and y, and want us to look for its value from these two expressions. First, I will use a few steps to solve this. Let's first of all use expression 1, as we can see here. Here, what we can say by using log, as you can see here, log xy is equal to 2. We already know that when we have something like this, it is the same like x raised to the power 2, as you can see here, is equal to y. This is the simple formula we need to know. It goes like this in this arrow format. If we put it like this, we put like this. Therefore, it goes like this. So x raised to the power 2 is equal to y. Why we try to eliminate a log. So this expression is the same as x raised to the power 2 is equal to y. Let's assume this is 1, which we have formed from this. So we have tried to remove the log attached to it and put it in a simple expression format. So it is the same like this. Now we have expression 1. Let's rewrite the expression 2 again here, which is xy is equal to 125, which is our expression 2, as we had here. So we have just removed the log here, and just express it in this form, which we all understand. Now, since we have this already now at hand, what we want to do is to make sure, since we have here x squared is equal to y, in other words, y is equal to x squared. Now, since we already have this expression here as 1 and 2, we can still say that y is equal to x squared. And we can use expression 2, and anywhere that we are seeing y, we are going to replace with x squared. Since we know that y is equal to x squared from equation 1, we can use equation 2. Any place that we are going to see y, we'll replace it with x squared. So let's use expression 2 as it is here. What we are going to do, let's rewrite expression 2 here. So x, y, but we know that y is equal to x squared. Is equal to 125. So we have formed that x into x squared is x cubed. Therefore, it simply means that x cubed is equal to 125. This is the expression. Now, since we have x in cube, we must look for a value, which if we cube it as well, we are going to have 125, and the only value is going to be 5 cubed. So we are going to say that x cubed is equal to 5 cubed. And since it is cube and cube, then x must be equal to 5. In other words, this tells us therefore that x is equal to 5. Now we have the value of x. To look for the value of y, we can choose any of the expression here from 1 and 2 and input x equal to 5. Let's just use 1 since we have used 2 here to get the value of x. Let's now use expression 1 to get the value of y. Since x is equal to 5, we'll say 5 squared is equal to y. So 5 squared is equal to y, which simply means that 5 squared is 25 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 5 squared, which is 25. So the value of x and y in this expression, as you can see, x and y, the value for x is 5 and the value for y is 25. This is the expression. To see more of this, you want to make sure to go ahead to like and subscribe and make sure to enable the notification bell icon so that anytime we publish or create a new post like this, you're going to learn more and other subtopics and many mathematical topics to improve your skills. See you in the next upload, and bye-bye for now.